Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Integromat alternative Make for app workflows detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Make website. On the home page, locate the Sign Up button. Click on the Sign Up button. You will be redirected to a registration page. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the requirements. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the verification email from Make. Click the verification link provided in the email. Once verified, return to the Make homepage. Log in using your email and password. Now you're in your Make dashboard. Explore the available templates for workflows. Choose a template that fits your needs. Click on the selected template to begin customizing. Add the apps you want to work with in your workflow. Connect the apps by following the on-screen prompts. Set up the triggers and actions as required. Adjust any specific settings to refine your workflow. Once everything is configured, click Save. You can now test the workflow to see if it operates as intended. Make any necessary adjustments based on the test results. When satisfied, click Activate to run your workflow. Your app workflow is now live and operational. Repeat these steps for additional workflows as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.